guys, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's tutorial today, so stay tuned for that then. I'm gonna get right into it. Alright guys, so today I'm gonna do a look with the Norvina Volume 1 palette. I'm gonna be using that shade D3, and I'm also gonna be using the shade D2, which was the red and the black. So we're gonna be doing a nice red smoky eye. Just gonna make sure everything's blended out. Also, that B3 is also a perfect shade for Valentine's Day if you're looking for something more pink. Also, I don't know why, but my throat is like really sore, so I'm probably gonna get some water. But yeah, I'm going to do my face off camera, and I'm gonna come back with the products I used, and then we're just gonna get right into the eyeshadow, and that's it. So I will be right back. Alright guys, I am a hot mess. I just dumped water all over my stuff, so that's great. I don't think it got on the makeup, it just all through my AirPods. Hopefully it didn't wreck the charging area on that case. I got it before it hit my phone, so yeah. But let's go over the products I used on my face. I know you can't really see them, but I did like a full glam because my cheeks like to eat color like my friend Donna. Also, this Valentine's Day collab is like an anti-Valentine's Day look. I'm just gonna put my friends' links down below in my little group that we like always comment on each other's videos and like them and stuff, so you guys can check them out and subscribe to them and show them some love. And also don't forget to subscribe to me. So for my primer, I use the Too Faced Tan Over Replenishing Face Primer, nice and hydrating. And then I use the Illamasqua Skin Base Foundation. I feel like this one's a little better for me because it is more golden toned and I have olive tone skin. I know I look like I have cool tone skin, but I'm Sicilian, so. And then I use the Yenza BC Concealer, which is a full coverage concealer for my under eyes. And then I set my foundation with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Press Powder. Sorry guys, my throat like hurts. Then I set my under eyes with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. I use it in Ghost. And then I use the Item Beauty Cheek Money in the shade Vibes right there for contouring. I also put this on my lips. It's the Kismet Buff Sugar Lip Scrub, and it's in Bright and Bubbly. And I use the Pacifica Bronzed Rose blush and bronzer. So these are the shades Wild Rose and Desert, and I use them both. This is Desert, and that's Wild Rose. And it has a nice mirror on the back. Alrighty, and then for highlight today, I did use the Moonchild palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I use the shade Pink Heart right there. Probably my most used one because I like it because it's very pretty. I also put that on my nose and on my Cupid's bow. And then I use the NYX Dip Shape Go Lawnwear Brow Pomade. And it looks like that. And this is in the shade Brunette. And then I prime my eyes with my good old Milani eyeshadow primer. I've used that forever. So I'm dipping into that red shade right there. I believe that's D3. And I'm taking this Anastasia 816 brush. It looks like that. And I'm just popping this on. Very pigmented. This is a Pro Pigment palette. It does stain your eyes a little bit, so just be careful of that. So I'm just putting it everywhere right now. Alright, and then just making sure that is everywhere. Alright, and then I'm taking... You can take a pencil brush. This is an EcoTools one, and I'm dipping into the shade D5, which is the black shade right there. I didn't know this palette could go flat. Oh, that's really nice, actually. So, let's plop that on then. Alright, looking at this one, so just going to dip into that shade. And we're gonna bring that up to, so actually I'm putting that there. And I'm gonna take that Betty Boop brush and I am going to be blending in words, not so much a little bit outwards. Yeah, we're gonna blend that out. Alright, so that's how it's looking so far. So this is like an anti-Valentine look for my single pals here. I'm also single. So, just so you know. Yeah. Alright, so next what I'm gonna do is take that same shade from the ABH palette and pop this in my inner corner. So we are gonna have a little pink in there. Beautiful. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this brush from my festival set. This is the number 12 brush. And I'm going to just put that under my brows. What's nice about this little brush is that it's really precise, so it's not going all over the place. And it's creating a really nice highlight specifically for your brow bone. Alright. I don't know why I just did that other side. You know, we are good. Alright, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and do some lipstick, and I'll show you the final look then. Alright guys, so I know this one's very small and this one's big, but it was like that the other day too, so it's fine. The third time I do this look, I'll figure it out. But I don't even have the palette with me. Yeah, I really like this palette a lot. It's really nice. Beautiful shades. A lot of pinks and purples, which I also love. Well, there's like one pink in here. Well, no, that's not true. There's like two. Yeah, but it's super pretty. I love all the purples and stuff. And also, this glitter, I want to use it so bad. I just haven't found the look for it yet. And also, C2 and C3 are pretty as well. C3 is like a rose gold, kind of. Yeah, really pretty. Yeah, this red and this black are pretty solid. This is the look I came up with. So this is my anti-Valentine's Day look. I'm not very creative, so this is about as creative as I get. I mean, I'm creative, just not with makeup. So, yeah, this is the look. So, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Alright, bye!